chitiko chakashamisa vanhu chakanyasa kuonekwa kuti aiwa panapa wiki Chivhayo at some point anogona atova nemapowers akafanana nemutungamiri wenyika kana kuti override mutungamiri wenyika apo paanoonekwa kunzi on Friday zvonyasa kuzikanwa nyika yese kuti these guys vakavarwa ZITF anoonekwa ari pakati apo paDaniel Chapo nemutungamiri wenyika. Sanda pinda macho kabla pana mlipo subscribe like on the bell icon timina na mumu Daniel kwa mchinze. Convicted fraudster and controversial businessman wiki Chivhayo on Friday steered fresh outrage after slipping into the limelight alongside President Emmerson Mnangagwa and the Mozambican President Daniel Chapo during the official opening of the Zimbabwe International Trade Fair in Bulawayo. President Mnangagwa, accompanied by Chapo, this year's guest of honor, arrived at the 65th edition of Zimbabwe's premier trade showcase to March fanfare. Yes, it was Chivhayo's conspicuous presence, riding in the presidential motorcade, positioning himself close to the two leaders, that overshadowed the day's proceedings and reigniting fierce debate over the country's entrenched culture of cronyism and elite impunity. In a moment heavy with symbolic, a trade event meant to promote transparency and honesty enterprise became a state where a convicted criminal still under investigation by South Africa's Financial Intelligence Center for allegedly siphoning over 1 billion public funds rubbed shoulders with the heads of state. Chivhayo's brazen appearances alongside Zimbabwe's top leadership have long sparked public outrage, and his performance at ZITF only served to confirm growing fears of state capture. His prominent display, broadcast across social media and mainstream media, was not merely a case of poor optics. It sent a chilling message about the true nature of political power in Zimbabwe today. Ndoba shikapdanyora panapa awachinza aiwa panyasa kuonekwa kunzi panapa pa ZITF padanyasa kuonekwa transparency and honest, but a fraudster anoonekwa aripo zvashamisa vanhu. Ngokuti mafungo enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu mafungiro enyu, subscribe like, on the bell icon.